beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you are new, hi, I'm Tati. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys like what you see, and if you do, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. 3, 2, 1, subscribe right now so you guys can be part of this cool squad. If you are a OG subscriber, hello, welcome back. Let's begin with this video. For today's video, we are gonna be doing a first impression review, testing out, and showing you guys as well. It's gonna be a eyebrow product that I'm gonna be testing out and I'm gonna be reviewing. Plus, since I'm gonna do a first impression review on this Benefit Brow Pomade, the Benefit Powmade Brow Pomade. I like that. The Pomade. I as well gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. So you guys are gonna be knowing how I do my eyebrows. I know that I already post like 2 videos of this, but they are like now. This is 2022. I got the shade warm black brown, darkest color that they had it. That is the number 5. You guys already know that I love my eyebrows really dark. I love dark eyebrows. Well, if you are new and this is your first time seeing this video, I love my eyebrows to be dark, like black. Why? Because my hair is dark, so my eyebrows have to be dark. And I as well gonna give you guys my thoughts about this product. If this is gonna be my new favorite, because I love the Anastasia brow pomade. That is my holy grail brow pomade. I have some other brow pomade, but I always reach out to the Anastasia brow pomade. My Anastasia brow pomade that I use is Garnet. That is the darkest color. So this is the Benefit Powmade brow pomade. This has been out for, I think it has been out for almost 5 months already, or 6 months. Maybe I'm wrong. I will be putting it somewhere on the screen. This has 5 grams, 0.17 ounces. The Anastasia brow pomade has 4.0 grams, 0.14 ounces. It has more grams and more ounces than the Anastasia brow pomade. How it looks like, the packaging is yellow and it just says Benefit Powmade brow pomade. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm actually trying this product out for the second time. I already filmed it the first time, but it came out very horrible, very horrible, very horrible, 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 horrible. Horrible, horrible. There it goes. It came out very horrible. The audio was something else. This is how it looks like. Packaging, it just says the Benefit Pomade brow pomade. On the back, it just gives you shade that you show. This product tends to be waterproof, but my Anastasia is waterproof as well. If you guys are interested in knowing my first impression review and as well want to know how I do my eyebrows, please continue to watch. I'm gonna move my mirror closer to me because I had to see very well how I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I use 2 angle brushes. I use a medium size and a small size. I as well gonna be using a spoolie, this one from Lucy. So it's just a spoolie. It doesn't have to be the brand. It just has to be a spoolie for your brows to brush out your eyebrows. And then I as well use a concealer brush, and this one is from Sigma, and I use it to define my eyebrows. I like to use a buffer brush like this, not so big and not so small either. I just use this to blend the concealer. It can remove any harsh lines. And I as well gonna be using a concealer because you need a concealer to define your eyebrows. For concealer, I'm gonna be taking the one that I always use. That is the Anastasia concealer in 4.5. This is the old school way. Now they came out with another packaging. This has been my holy grail and I really like it, and I only use it for my eyebrows. I don't use it for nothing else. The product is already being used. I didn't buy it like that. I already used it. I was gonna post it on my video, but when I started editing it, the audio was so horrible, and I was like, I'm not gonna post it because I know that if I'm bothered by it, you guys are gonna be bothered by it. This is the darkest color that they had it. That is the warm black brown. This actually reminds me of the Anastasia brow pomade in Ebony, which I have here because that is the one that I was using before Anastasia decided to come out with the grenade shade. This is the Anastasia brow pomade in Ebony. There it goes, a side to side. The one on my left that is gonna be your right is the Benefit, and the one on my right that is gonna be your left is Anastasia. Anastasia one is kind of looking dry because it is dry. I just had to apply some liquid to it and it will work fine. All of these 5 brushes are the brushes that I do to do my eyebrows, so that's why I always tell you guys that I take so long to do my eyebrows. So the first brush that I'm gonna be using is this one from Julia's Place. I don't don't have a favorite brush to do my eyebrows. I just like the brush to be a little bit bigger than the small size. I'm gonna take the spoolie and I'm just gonna brush out the eyebrows. I just like to make my hair as flat as possible. I take the pomade and I just tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tapping.
I start from the end. I take the small angle brush. I don't apply no product to it because I just want it as clean as possible as it is, and just blend it in the inner corner just so it can look as natural as possible. You want it to be a little bit lighter on the inner and then go darker towards the end. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna be taking the Clean Sweep makeup brush pad, and then I take the small angle brush and I'm just gonna remove product that I did on the other side. It has to be really clean. Let me tell you guys something. Your eyebrows, they are sisters, but they're not twins. One side is gonna be looking way better than the other side. But I like to make them as twin as possible as I can. I'm gonna leave it alone because I don't want to mess it up. Now it's time to clean them out. I'm gonna take the concealer. I'm just gonna grab just a little bit, just like that. And as you guys can see, I just like to apply concealer on the bottom of the eyebrows. If you mess it up, the eyebrows as I did right here and a little bit right here, I'm gonna show you guys how I fix that. You guys can guess as well how I'm going to fix that. And then I just swipe it down, swipe, swipe, swipe it down, swipe. Now I take the product before blending the concealer. And then I'm gonna be taking the buffer brush and I'm just gonna blend the concealer just to remove the harsh line. And there you have it, my love. This is how I do my eyebrows. Did I like this brow pomade? If this is gonna be my new favorite deep brow pomade that I'm gonna be using from now on, the answer is, I'm gonna answer the first question. Did I like the Benefit Pomade brow pomade? Yes, I did like it. It's very soft to apply, very creamy. Well, not so creamy, but it's creamy. Not as creamy as my Anastasia deep brow pomade. It doesn't dry out so quickly. The color is not as dark as I wanted it to be. That's the only thing. Hopefully they can come out with the number 6. This is my type of color that I like to apply. Very dark because my hair, like I told you guys, is dark, so my eyebrows have to be dark. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then I will be right back to give you guys how it looks when all of the makeups are done. So this is how it looks like when I already did all of my face. That's how my eyebrow looks like. This is kind of like the makeup, no makeup look because I haven't done my eyes, which I already contour my nose just a little bit so you guys can tell that my nose is being contoured. Like I say, I like this brow pomade. It's not my favorite. I'm still gonna continue on using my Anastasia deep brow pomade ingredient. Nothing beats the Anastasia deep brow pomade in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching this review and thank you so much for staying this long. Let me know in the comment box below what you guys think about this video. As well, make sure you guys give this video a like, subscribe so you guys can be part of this squad family. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I will be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver. Pa' que el CP se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer. Lo que quiere es enloquecer.